Have you ever wondered why a cut on your finger disappears after a few days? One moment, your skin is broken, and a few weeks later, it's almost like nothing happened. But who fixes it? Do tiny doctors live inside your body? Well, not exactly. Today, we're going on an incredible journey inside your body to discover how wounds heal, and trust me, your body has one of the smartest repair teams on Earth. Before we talk about healing, let's understand what gets hurt. Your skin is like a superhero shield. It protects you from dirt, germs, sunlight, and even tiny insects. But sometimes you fall off your bicycle, scrape your knee, or get a paper cut. When that happens, your body knows immediately that something is wrong. It's almost like an alarm goes off saying, "Attention, we have damage, repair team, get ready." And within seconds, millions of tiny cells rush into action. The first job is simple. Stop the bleeding. Inside your body are tiny tubes called blood vessels. When you get a cut, some of them break, and blood comes out. Luckily, your blood contains tiny cells called platelets. Think of platelets as emergency construction workers. As soon as they reach the wound, they stick together and form a plug to block the leak. Then special proteins create a net that traps blood cells, making the plug even stronger. Soon, the blood hardens into a protective scab. The scab works like a natural bandage. It keeps dirt and germs out while the skin repairs itself underneath. Pretty clever, isn't it? Even with a scab, tiny germs may try to sneak inside. But your body has another team ready. Special white blood cells race to the wound like superheroes. Their mission? Find germs, catch them, and destroy them. Sometimes the area becomes red, warm, swollen, or a little sore. That might seem scary, but it's often a sign that your immune system is hard at work protecting you. It's like firefighters rushing to put out a fire before it spreads. Now comes the amazing part. Once the area is clean, your body starts rebuilding. New skin cells begin growing from the edges of the wound. Tiny new blood vessels form to bring oxygen and nutrients. Meanwhile, special cells called fibroblasts build strong fibers made of collagen. Think of collagen as the bricks and steel beams that make your skin strong again. Slowly, the gap gets smaller and smaller. Every single second, thousands of cells are working together without you even noticing. It's like watching an entire city rebuild itself after a storm. After days or weeks, the wound closes completely. Sometimes, if the cut was deep, your body leaves behind a scar. Here are some amazing facts. Your body starts healing within seconds after you get injured. Every day, your body replaces millions of skin cells. Children usually heal faster than adults because their bodies are growing quickly. Sleeping helps wounds heal because your body performs many repair jobs while you rest. Eating foods rich in protein, vitamin C, and zinc gives your body the building materials it needs to heal faster. Want to help your body's repair team? Eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, fish, beans, and nuts. The next time you get a tiny cut or scrape, remember this. Inside your body, millions of tiny workers are rushing to stop the bleeding, fight germs, rebuild your skin, and make you healthy again. That's one of the most amazing things about the human body. If you enjoyed learning this incredible science fact, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, your body is more amazing than you think.